Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, Marisa Banatao. Welcome to this live stream. This is Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 10th of October 2023, and the day is Tuesday. This is the third trading day of the week. Sorry, second trading day of the week. My bad, third trading day of the week. No, this is the second trading day of the week, and I welcome you to this webinar that we have been doing from the last 1 year, more than 1 year now. In the next few minutes, we will be watching the key levels for all the major currency pairs and also a few other pairs which we call as yen crosses and few other crosses, including the gold, silver, Brent crude oil, and a few cryptocurrencies. So, guys, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever I'm saying in this webinar has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy. All the views or opinion or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own. And please let me know if my voice is through in the chat box that is provided. Let me tell you that in the next few minutes we will be actually we will be strictly discussing the price action, and because we know that everything is already priced into the chart, so we will not talk about anything which is fundamental in nature like PI index, this index, job data, blah blah blah. These things we will not talk. We'll only focus ourselves on the charts. Okay. At the end of the session, I will be answering the questions from all the viewers. So please feel free to ask any questions regarding my charts if you okay. And before I start, let me take you through this risk disclaimer. This is very important. Please go through this risk disclaimer. It is a very important thing. Know that you have some risk involved when you are trading the forex. Okay, so first things first. You have right now on your screens the US dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Now this is showing us something. I talked about it day before yesterday. I mean on Friday, and then I talked about it on yesterday that something is happening in this 4 hour. When the price went to retest that level, I said that something is happening here, is being sold here, and yes, the price is going to go down now. This is it right now in front of you. This is a very crucial level 105.31. We have discussed it on the daily also, that this is a swing pivot. If this level breaks, then we become sellers in this. Okay, if something like this happens, then we will be selling this market, selling this. So the point is that you have to keep an eye on 105.31, which is a very crucial support now. On the upside, if the price starts going that 107.03 area to 107.14 or 12 area, this small area is a very crucial resistance. Right now this is support, and if the price drops below this and gives us a close below this, then this area will become a resistance. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with this. If you don't agree with this, write something in the chat so that I can know that if you agree or you do not agree. Talking about the euro, euro, we have discussed about it yesterday that this is the first wave, and we are expecting a second wave like this where we will be buying this market, okay, with this third wave. Now this small rise above 1.0616, which has gone to 1.06198, has given us a hint that yes, buyers are able to push the prices higher than this level, but we need a close above. If we get a close above, then it will be just a reverse scenario of this one, where we'll be looking for the price to go up, and then we'll look at a retest. When the retest occurs, we will be buying this market with the next level of resistance as the target, and here in this case, this one is the next level of resistance around 1.0740, and thereafter 1.0769. So yes, we have a possible up move from here possible, but in the process, beautiful channel that is coming down has been stopping the movement of the price on the upside. You see here, it tried to go up, but it was rejected. Here again, when it is going to see a confluence of resistance. When I say confluence of resistance, that means it is a region where there are two resistances. One resistance being provided by this horizontal level, second resistance being provided by this level. So there's a high probability that the price will come back like. Now you may be thinking, Rakesh first told that it is going to go like this, then he's saying that it is going like this. No, I'm saying whichever way it goes, you should be prepared. If it goes up and closes here around 2, then it will come back here to test it as a fresh support, then you should buy. But if it reverses from here, then you should be looking for selling this market with a small channel. You can draw the small channel counter direction, and when the price comes out of this channel like this, then you should sell. Stop loss here, the take profit. All right, I hope you got this. If you have any questions, please ask me questions. Okay guys, if you don't ask me question, I really don't have any type of feedback mechanism from where I can come to know that you have understood everything that I am saying. Okay, GBP USD on the 4 hour has given a clean close above the level that we were looking for, but we need a daily close above that. Okay, he's going up. It's similar like the Euro USD that we have discussed just now. If the price closes higher, give us a pullback to this level, find support here, then we'll buy this. But this falling channel is providing resistance, so I will be cautious in this small range. This area I will be cautious. In this area I will be cautious. But if the price goes outside this, then I'll be looking for the buying opportunity like this. So I hope you understand this part also. The price goes higher than 1.2271, which it is already doing, I am a buyer in this one. Okay, but I will not be buying at any level. I will be waiting for the price to come back. Like maybe I will switch to 1 hour, and I will see that if something like this comes, if something like this happens, then I will be buying in this area. Okay, this is what my this thing is. Why I will be buying in this area? Because I have a strong support here. Okay, so I'll be keeping my stop loss below this level, and I'll be targeting the next resistance, which is around 1.2445. Let's see what is happening in the Australian dollar. Well, Australian dollar is also going higher highs, high lows in the 4 hour, but on the daily we need to go higher than 0.6500. So till the time the price is trading below 0.6500, I am not buying this market. I'm not willing to buy this market because this is the lowest high that the price has made before making this lowest low. So till the time the price doesn't go higher than this area, we cannot look for the buying opportunity. Okay, or if till the time the price doesn't go lower than this, we cannot be looking for the next lower levels. But yes, one thing that you can do is, what you can do is you can create a channel on the 4 hour or maybe 1 hour. Sorry, not this channel. I'm just removing this one. So you can create a channel like this, like joining these lows and then these highs, and as and when this channel breaks to the downside like this may happen from here. Okay, this thing can happen. So something of this sort is what I am expecting. And if when this happens, we'll be selling this market around here, but not right now. Not right now. You might be thinking that why Rakesh is always saying not right now, not right, because you have to act like a sniper in the snow. Sniper in the snow. Okay, if you get an opportunity, you have this area as your selling zone. So this is an area where you want your deer to come. As and when this, suppose this price is the deer, when it comes in front of your barrel, that is the time you press the trigger and shoot it so that it drops down dead like this. This is what is expected from you. Do not act before it, you do not act after it. Just act in this window. This is what is expected from a good trader. Okay, so keep an eye on this area. You can also make a channel on this one, like I told you, like this. Okay, when the price reaches this area, observe how it is behaving. If the sellers are trying to take control like this, then go enter, it's okay, but keep your stop loss higher than this. But if the price closes higher than this, then you should be thinking that yeah, buyers are in control, so I will go with the buyers like this. USD JPY, no trades in this one. Really, there's no trade between 147.27 to 150.15. I'm not willing to take any trade in this. USD CAD, well, it dropped below. Now this should be acting as a resistance. 1.3669 area should now be acting as a resistance. So this will be your upper level. On your low level should be around 1.3372. Every rise should be seen as an opportunity to short. So like this, when there was a rise, you should have seen it as a selling opportunity. When there was a rise, you should have something like this. Even if the price starts rising from here, you should see in that rise as a selling opportunity close to 1.3669. But where is the support? Did I tell you that? Yes, 1.3378 area is the next. USD CHF, this area we are expecting to act as a support. One thing being the confluence of the two supports. One is this horizontal level, which has been broken, which earlier was the resistance. And the other one is because this channel is meeting this level here around on 16th of October. So this week there is a possibility that the price will take a dip below 0.9016, but there is also a high probability that those who are watching this channel and those who are watching this horizontal level, maybe they would be willing to buy the US dollar here against the Swiss franc. Let's see how the thing unfold, but right now I'm not taking any trade in this one, although from the daily chart it looks like the market structure has broken and every rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Silver, we have targets around 19.88. Every rise in this should be seen as a selling opportunity. If you get an opportunity to sell this market close to 22.21, that will be a much better trade for the silver. So this is our resistance zone, 22.21 to this level of 22.50. So this is a 30 points resistance zone, and we have a potential target around 19.88 in the gold has gone higher than 1858, is now trying to take support at that level. So 1884 is the level worth watching. So that becomes our resistance now, and the support is around 1804. It's simple. It's like a textbook example. Okay, it's like a text. You may find a huge resistance around 1884. If you get an opportunity to go short in that area, I think you should go ahead for that. Brent is just consolidating. It is at the opening of today, finding resistance at 88.07, which we had marked on our chart. So from here the market can reverse from here. Even if it rises, I think it will find a huge resistance around 89.87 area, where I'm looking to sell this market with the lower targets like 71.48 levels. Bitcoin looks weak at the lower prices. Even nobody's coming to pick it up, so there is a high probability that it will drop down. I'm just making not pencil long line. This is, I think the price may drop from here, like something like this happens. There is a probability that something like, let's see how the things unfold. I'm keeping this price line on my chart. Okay, the resistance being in this market 28,552 and the support being 24,889. Ethereum is given even giving more hint about Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is going to go. If Ethereum trades below 1529 for some 1 hour or more, we may see 1367.2 levels in the future very soon. I mean, this week or maybe very next week, we can see the prices dropping to 1367 if Ethereum trades below 1520. Euro versus Australian one. Well, a huge sell off. Every rise should be seen as an opportunity to go short in this market. So what you can do is you can create this channel here. Okay, I think the selling has already happened. So even this rise should be seen as a selling opportunity, or one can go and keep a sell order to stop, not by ask, stop by bid like this, and you can keep your stop loss here, and then you can take your profit much lower. Where is it? This is possible. So Euro already has a resistance around 1.6651, but this falling channel is providing huge resistance, and this is where it has met the daily chart. Okay, not this. This should not be the. This should be okay. So yes, this is my position, but every opportunity on the higher side should be seen as a selling opportunity, guys. But yes, it has huge movement upwards possible around 1.662, 1.6634. That is an area of resistance now. Or in New Zealand, lower move possible, 1.0559 is the target. The price is moving in that direction, so we don't have to do anything. And now it is in middle of nothing, so do not look for buying any more position here, guys. It can even go upwards from here, for taking some more headroom to go south towards 1.0559. For any reason, if the price starts rising from here, 1.0718 should act as a good resistance for this market. Then we have GBP AUD. I think it is making higher highs and higher lows, but here suddenly it started making lower highs. And now we are expecting a lower low in this one. And also notice that this is a very good selling opportunity for us in the longer run. This there was what we call there was this rising wedge that has broken to the downside. So when the rising wedge breaks, you see that it tends to go to this bottom. Yes, the downside is huge, and there is a possibility of a head and shoulder breakdown here. You see, this is like a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder. And if it breaks from here, then this is your neckline. You know what is your neckline? This is your neckline, right? So this becomes your resistance area. 1.8856 area. Below that, you should be looking to sell this market with the huge targets to the downside. That is 1.7221 and even lower than that, 1.5910 in the coming time. This is what I'm expecting here. All right. For us now, the immediate resistance is these highs, and the support is where the price is trading right now. 1.9068 level is the USA 30. Did we mention this level? This is just 1 hour before. This is what happened. I think we have mentioned this level 33902 yesterday. Those who do not remember, they can see we have mentioned it here that 33902 is the level from where the price can reverse. All right, everybody doesn't listen to me, but you see what is the high that the price has made? 33897, guys. 33897, just 4 points short of the level. So yes, that is acting as a resistance, at least on the 1 hour, and the price is still struggling there. Maybe support around 33,692 may be observed before making a push higher. But what is the resistance? Or sorry, what is the volume? The volumes are huge, guys. If we see a close above 33902, then I think 35096 will be exposed in this market. So be cautious. If we see a close above this level of 33902, this will mean that the price has opened the way for 35096, and you can hold your longs till 35096. But if it doesn't, then maybe the price will reverse toward 33167 before taking another leg up. At CHF, nothing new here. 0.66179 is expected to support the price for the next leg up, but till the time that doesn't happen, we are not going to do anything in this. Stay away from this one. PP CAD, well, exactly as we have thought about, the price made a higher high, then it made a higher high. Now this was expected to act as a support, and that is happening. 1.68100 is the resistance next, and now support should be seen around. Okay, support is same area, guys. Support is same, 1.6502. Now this is on the basis of the daily close. Okay, till the time the price doesn't make higher high than this one, this cannot be seen as a support. This area cannot be seen as a support. Okay, 1.6810 is the resistance, 1.6502 is the support. USA Tech, we are bullish on this one. The price has pierced the level from where we were expecting a sell off. Although the selling has happened, but yes, the bullishness is strong. So expect some more buying at this level around 15,100 level. Expect some more buying. I cannot place that level on my chart because I do not place my levels on the 1 hour chart. But yes, that is a resistance, 15,138. The price closing above 15,138 will expose higher prices, but if it fails to close higher than 15,138, then I don't think that we should be looking for buying this. This is USA Tech, guys, right now in front of you. It seems like there's a double bottom breakout here. To switch the lower prices, like 4 hour, to see that this area and this area was bottom. This was the first bottom, then there was a reaction high, second bottom, boom boom, and this was a breakout supporting this area. Now it is going up, so this is what is expected out of this. Is will be your buying area, and yeah, this will be your buying area. So if you switch to daily, you'll get something like this, right, guys? So right now 15138 is the resistance where the price is trading right now. If it closes higher than this, we can observe the higher prices, but if it closes below this, then the price can reverse back to 14,905, gather some more power to break out to the up. Okay, all about this. RDJPY, we are bullish on the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, because once it broke lower, then it again started making higher highs and higher lows. But there is one thing to think about. This resistance of 96.92 from where the price dropped is still there. Something like this happening, and don't be surprised. Okay, now the price has made lower low, so at a lower high. Last is GPY, only it's a buy above 183.01. Below this, I will not be buying this. Okay, if you want to really buy the market, don't buy right now. You can place your buy stop by bid like this. Like I'm keep right now. This order you can keep like this, 183.10. Then you can keep stop loss here, and keep profit. Very simple way that I have. All right, guys. So in my opinion, now resistance and support are, resistance is 183.01. Support may be seen at 180.72 or very deep at around 178.0. This support is on the basis of 4 hour. When you switch 4 hour, you will see that the price has been making higher highs and higher lows here. This area must be acting as a support based on this low here. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any further queries, please feel free to write me in the chat box that is provided. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. And if there is no question, you can simply say hello, hi, so that I know that yes, you are there in the chat box. Maybe we can talk about you. Like Marisa Banato is here. May I know, Marisa, if you're still there, where are you from? All right, so I understand that there is no one in the chat. So what I will do is I'll just turn this off now with the hope that now you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that please mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section. Find it, of course, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel if you are first time here. Webinar every day from Monday to Friday, 1700. I wish to see you there, and I also wish you a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.